It's about 5 p.m. We just showed up at this new property. We're gonna be installing a patio, and check out the setup. Got the truck here. It's a little tight here, but we're gonna manage through. It's not a big patio. It's a decent sized patio. We're gonna be installing a red New Holland brick. So it's gonna be one of those vintage, pavers that are still in use. You guys are familiar with that. I know you guys are. So we're gonna be installing it right here. You guys can see it's marked already. What I'm gonna be doing today is excavating everything out with the Bobcat. We actually power washed it today, cleaned it up a bit, you guys can tell. And we're gonna be dumping it into the dump. And then that's all we're gonna be pretty much doing today, prepping for tomorrow. We're gonna be bringing gravel. So I'll show you guys a little bit of a time lapse of me digging this out. Pretty much got it mostly excavated. The dump is pretty full. Check it out, guys. We're heading out for the day. It's about 6:30, almost 7 p.m. We got our soil excavated. We kept some of the soil there because we're gonna use it to fill in where we're not gonna be putting in patio, just because we over excavated a little bit, just in case homeowner wants to add on. But we got the dump loaded up. Got a big load on there. Just one trip. That's all I wanted to do, one trip. That way tomorrow I can haul in our 411 base. We're gonna haul in about 3 to 4 tons, and we should be good with that. So you guys are gonna see how the patio is forming up tomorrow, actually. So we're out for the day, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Actually just came to pick up the material that we needed for the patio. The material for the patio right there. So I came to pick that up right now. And yeah, so I'm gonna be meeting up with them at the property here in a bit once we get loaded. We got one pallet in. We went to go pick up the other, and these are pretty much the pavers we're gonna be using. The standard red Holland, New Holland block that was used a lot back then. Still used, but very minimal. I don't know, well, at least to my knowledge. But here it is, guys. It is raining. It was like raining really hard in a bit earlier, but now it's not raining that bad anymore. But that's pretty much it. We got another pallet coming. Just made it to the job site. Got the screen over there. We couldn't dump over here because of the cables, but got everything, the base set in. We got 411. I showed you guys. Got the screen here. We're getting ready to level our screen to set our pavers in. That's the paver we're gonna be using. We're figuring out what design we're gonna be going with. It's pretty much what it is. We got a point there where it's our 10, I believe 11, 12, 11, 10. So it's gonna be rounded here, remember, guys, and then we're gonna have a little strip here for the homeowner. And we are actually gonna be using a border, soldier course border. We're gonna be doing it in gray. My brother went to go pick that up right now, so it's gonna look really nice. Guys, we are ready to set the pavers in. Got that border course going in already, and this is gonna be the design that we're gonna be doing on the brick. It's gonna look beautiful right here. And then right here, it's gonna go like this. There's gonna be like a little corner right here, and then it's gonna go finish that way, down there, around here, like as you can see right here. So it's gonna look really nice, and it's gonna pop out a lot. So I'll show you guys a little update as soon as we start laying some bricks. Beth and my brother were just putting this in, and then this is so we can square it up, and from here we'll go both sides, boom boom. But we actually ended up being right on. You guys can tell right there my fingers at, without even, I mean, we measured it, but we didn't measure like per unit to see where we were at. And so we just started from here. We had already set that up, and somehow we just the universe put this in our way. So that was pretty cool. Just making these cuts. Check out the detail in it. We ended up laying this right away as soon as I stopped recording. My brother showed up, so we just laid it real quick. And then right now is all the detail stuff, which is these cuts right here. And then the 45 degrees over here. Boom, boom. Corners, cuts. And this is one of my most favorite ones right here. Looks very sharp. We just finished doing that. Now I'm gonna start making the cuts for the ends and go from there. Hopefully I can get this done within a couple hours. So it's pretty hot today. We are gonna be putting concrete edging and the black polymeric sand. We're gonna be using black polymeric sand for this one. Check it out, it's over here. It's called Poly Sweep. We actually had these sitting around from previous jobs, so might as well put them to use. I know it kind of looks a little awkward, but it looks a lot nicer in person, honestly. And this is the design that we wanted to go with, so we kept it with this. And because originally we were going to come over here with the whole curve, but then we were like, nah, we should probably keep it, you know, in one unit. So came out nice, because if we would have done black border soldier course over here, it would look pretty awkward right here. So we ended up going this route, and it came out pretty sharp. It gives it a unique look. We pretty much got the site cleaned up. You guys can tell the water's draining in there slowly, but we're over there loading up the saw, the IQ saw, and pretty much wrapped up with the patio. We'll finish it up tomorrow. We gotta put the cement edging and the polymeric sand and compact it with the compactor tomorrow. But that's pretty much how it turned out. Came out beautiful. Made the sharp cut right there, and everything else came out nice and clean. And yeah, guys, so that's pretty much the result. I guess I'll show you guys some footage tomorrow when we put the polymeric sand, compacted, and concrete edging. I guess we did rototill that, had it ready for whenever we're done. Pretty much the job site is cleaned up. We hauled out everything that needs to be hauled away. We got the polymeric sand over there, and then we got the cement in the wheelbarrow for tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't rain. And we got the blower back there just in case we need it tomorrow, and some extra material here in case anything breaks while we're compacting it. So you guys can tell we got our 45-degree angle cuts right there, and pretty much looks beautiful. Came out really nice. Same thing here, came out really beautiful. And over here got our 45s and 45s. So it's pretty beautiful project here, and we'll be wrapping up tomorrow. Now we're putting in the concrete edging like I told you guys. It's looking nice. We already got that pretty much done. We're up to here. We got that little batch to go. We got pretty much this much right here. Boom, boom. Beto's just finishing off that. We already compacted it with the tamper, and we're about ready to put polymeric sand, sweep it, compact it, and then put more polymeric sand, and then water it down. And then we'll be pushing this dirt over a little bit, and that'll pretty much be a wrap for this project for now. First layer of polymeric sand laid in. We ended up laying it in black. I wanted to do tan, but my brother brought black, so it's fine. Here it is, guys. We're getting about ready to give it another round with the tamper, and then we'll sweep it up again. So Beto's over there taking care of the edging, more detailed stuff, and I'm about to compact it with this baby, and then we'll do another pass with the polymeric sand, and then we'll water it down and we'll be done. My brother's over there rototilling, grading the lawn, doing the little touch-ups. But yeah, I'll show you guys a little time lapse here. Finished putting the last layer of polymeric sand in there. My brother's gonna blow it off here in a bit. We're gonna get ready to sprinkle the water on it. But that's pretty much where we're at. We put about an inch of polymeric sand here along the edging, just there, and then over here is like half an inch. Same thing over here. But check out the detail. Came out really nice. Very beautiful. You can turn it off. Nice. I'll show you guys here in a bit while he blows it off. we're gonna start loading up the stuff too. Getting ready to haul everything out. Well, everything came out pretty good at this project. 2.5 days. Can't complain. Guys, we're ready to mist it. Put some water in it. We're gonna mist it. My brother's gonna load up the temper down there. Yeah. Ya con el clear coat se le va a ver más mejor, más chingón.
No, le va a quedar así, se le va a ver siempre, mire como viene ahí.
Yep. Yeah, that's how it's gonna look if we clear coat it. I'm not sure if we're gonna do that yet, but I'll have my brother let them know. Let's see what's up with that. Came out very beautiful. The lawn is also graded properly. Everything is set and ready to go. There she is, guys. Turned out beautiful. So she's gonna utilize this area here to back the car in and stuff, to do like a nice decent turn, I guess, or even park their vehicles a little more in here. And then this is the patio space, so we had to do this here. We had to, you know, improvise and do that right there, but it came out beautiful. Came out really nice. I'm pleased with it, and I'm pretty sure once the grass grows in, it's gonna look very beautiful. Oh yeah.
I think that they finish it así, and then they get the little grinder and
oh yeah, and they start cutting it.
Like draw the design y después cut it así, que sí.
Yeah, you gotta do it after.
I want to do that en el mío y ponerle MTZ.
Check it out, guys. That's a wrap. It's a wrap for this project, guys. Like I said, I don't know if we're gonna put sod. We're gonna talk to the homeowner and see if we can put sod, because they do have an event coming up soon. So I think sod would be the best remedy here. But this is it, guys. Came out very beautiful, gorgeous. I'm in love with it. I already took the pictures and we're ready to head out. I'm just gonna go take some pictures from this side over here. Okay, guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video. My brother's gonna go ahead and inform the homeowner about seeing if we can install sod in there. If not, grass, fine. But that's gonna be it for this video. If we do install sod, I'll probably show you guys the aftermath, because I don't think I'll be coming to do that. I think my brother will be doing that, since it's a small little job and he could tackle it on his own. So if anything, I'll show you guys. I'll let you guys know. But if I don't show it in the video, that means we didn't put sod. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of the patio, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.